Mitochondria are tiny specialized compartments located within our cells which produce more than 90% of the energy needed to sustain life within our body. Mitochondrial disease occurs when the mitochondria in our cells fail. When these tiny powerhouses begin to fail, less and less energy is produced in the cell. This can cause the cell to become injured or die. If enough mitochondria are affected in many cells within an organ, the organ system may begin to fail. The parts of the body, such as the lungs, heart, brain, and muscles, are often the organs most affected by mitochondrial disease because they require large amounts of energy. Symptoms of mitochondrial disease vary vastly from person to person depending on which organ systems are affected. For me, this is how mitochondrial disease affects my body. Fatigue is my #1 symptom. No matter how much sleep I get, I am constantly tired. I frequently take naps and spend most of my day in bed. Muscle weakness affects almost every single muscle in my body. My legs are significantly affected, which makes it difficult for me to walk. I use a wheelchair for mobility. In 2017, I developed respiratory failure due to weak breathing muscles. I got a tracheostomy tube and was started on invasive ventilation. I will have a tracheostomy tube and will use a ventilator for the rest of my life because my breathing muscles are extremely weak. When I become tired, I struggle to speak due to severe fatigue and muscle weakness.
Hello. I've had my appointment. I am not feeling very well. I'm really tired.
I have a condition called postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome, which is abbreviated as POTS. My autonomic nervous system, which regulates my heart rate and blood pressure, does not work properly. Blood pools in my feet. This, in turn, causes my heart to beat very quickly. This causes me to become dizzy and lightheaded. I have to wear waist-high compression stockings and have to keep my legs elevated for most of the day. My pancreas does not work properly. This has caused me to develop chronic pancreatitis. If I eat fat or protein, my pancreas becomes very painful. I have a hard time sustaining myself eating by mouth. IV nutrition called TPN keeps me alive. When I become extremely tired or sick, my body develops significant weakness on one side of my body. These attacks are strokes and stroke-like episodes. This has caused permanent weakness on the left side of my body. When my body becomes tired or stressed, my muscles spasm, contract, and twist into painful positions. This condition is called dystonia. The episodes will last for several minutes and have lasted as long as 18 hours. I have many allergies to foods and medicines. Some of these allergies are life-threatening. I have epinephrine pens, which help in case of an emergency anaphylactic reaction. Also, my tracheostomy tube has saved my life many times when my throat has swollen up. The muscles in my eyelids are weak. My eyelids often droop. This is called ptosis. My eye muscles are weak. This causes my eyes to not work together. I have double vision. I have glasses which have prisms in them. The prisms help align my eyes so I can see. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to like and subscribe down below. I hope you have a great day and a wonderful week. Happy Mitochondrial Disease Awareness Week. Bye-bye. In 2020, I made a mitochondrial disease awareness video. I was blessed to have worked with families from all over the world. Sadly, since the video was released, a number of the people featured in the video have passed away. Unfortunately, there is no cure for mitochondrial disease. For more information about mitochondrial disease, please visit Mitoaction's website at www.mitoaction.org. Also, please visit the United Mitochondrial Disease Foundation's website at www.umdf.org.